you so much for tuning back in. I'm so excited to have you here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dimpy and I'm so happy today. I finally got my necklace that I ordered like a few days ago. This is from Amazon and it's 3-layered necklace. And I don't know, like I'm not really a jewelry person. I never really wear anything. If you guys have seen my other videos, then you guys know like I'm so blank when it comes to jewelry. So I love watches though, so I always wear a watch. But anyways, this is my new necklace. I really wanted to share with you guys because I think it's nice for the price that it costs. And yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of my new necklace. It's a 3-layer necklace and oh gosh, I am so happy. Anyways, coming back to today's video. So today's video is a tag video and this time I was tagged by lovely Samantha here on YouTube. I will leave a link to Samantha's channel in the description box down below. But basically this video is about picking a bag for each season. So I will be picking 4 bags all together and I'm really happy because in my last tag I picked 3 bags and now I get to pick 4 bags. So yay, I'm excited. But for today's video, I will be mixing and matching. So I will be picking some luxury handbags and I will also be picking some contemporary designer handbags. So I'm really excited and I hope you guys are as well. And since we are in fall right now, I'm gonna jump right into the fall season and start off with the fall bag. So for fall, I will be picking my Michael Kors bag and I think this one is called Mercer Gallery. Correct me if I'm wrong, but basically the Mercer Gallery bag. And oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever talked about this bag on my channel before, but I love this bag of 2 pieces. I use it so much and it's so hard to believe that I have never talked about it on my channel. So this is a good time. But basically this is the bag I'm using right now and as you can see it's really filled with all of my contents. It does come with a long body does come with a crossbody strap that attaches in the corners like that, but it does come like this with a top handle too, and that's how I mostly use it, and it's long enough to go on your shoulder as well, so it's just perfect. I really love this bag. And honestly, I think I love this bag because I just love a bag that has handles like that stick up. And it's got a color block style to it. So it's got different colors in the corners here. I think the colors over here is called oxblood. And then this one here is burgundy. And then once again, you have oxblood color up on the handle. So it's very nice. I got it a while ago and I love this bag so much to the point that I'm actually thinking of getting another one in a different color. And it's kind of strange because I never buy same bags again in a different color. Like, I think it's just money down the drain. I feel like if I have extra money, I'd rather just buy a completely different bag in a completely different color. So anyways, this is my fall bag and I love it 2 pieces, and I just want to quickly show you how it looks like inside. So it's got 3 compartments. It's got a compartment in the back, in the front, and then in the middle it's got a zipper compartment. And then even inside the zipper compartment, it has so many sections. So just to kind of quickly show you, I'm going to come up close so you guys can see. But that's what basically it looks like on the inside. Like I said, lots and lots of compartments. It's a really good bag. I love it 2 pieces. And I think I've said it so many times that I love it so much. So I'm going to leave it to that. But basically, this is my pick for the fall season. So for the winter season, I'm going to be going with my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I just really love this bag. And I feel like in winter, since we have heavy coat on, it's just easier to have something with long handles. And even in winter, like I feel like I have a lot of extra stuff with me, like gloves, hat, so it's just easier to throw it in a big bag and walk into a store. So I love this bag and I think it's a great pick for the winter season. And since this bag has vachetta, which we all know tends to stain with water spots, and that's why if it's going to be raining or snowing, but yeah, it's winter, so it's not going to be raining. So if it is snowing, then on those days, I will be using my Coach Market Tour. So these 2 bags are very similar, and that's why I think think it's very easy and very good to just interchange them depending on whether it is snowing. So like I said, they're very similar. They both have a red interior and a back zip pocket, and they're both really open from the top, so it's really nice. And what's cool is that the organizer that I use for my Neverfull tends to fit into the Coach Pocket Tote very seamlessly. So they're exact same size and I really love them both. So I think I'm gonna pick these two bags for the winter season. Now moving on to the spring season, I think for spring I'm gonna go with my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. You guys know how much I love this bag. I think I've said it so many times, so I'm not gonna even go there. But basically, I think this is a perfect pick for spring because, you know, depending on the weather, if you have a thick coat on or a thin coat on, I think this would work just fine because it does come with a crossbody strap, and this bag literally looks good with any outfit, so you have no problem dressing it up, dressing it down, or depending on the occasion. I think it just works well with so many different outfits. So basically this is going to be my pick for the spring season. I also really love this pop of red that is on the interior. I think by now you guys know how much I love red interior bags, or just bags with some sort of red in general, because all the bags I've showed you have some sort of red in it. And wait till you see my summer pick because that's got red in it too. But anyways, coming back to this one here, I think this bag is just perfect for spring because you can literally wear this in rain, snow, anything. It's just perfect. You guys know the drill, and yes, I love this bag, and this is going to be my pick for the spring season. So now we're on to summer, and for summer, I think I'm gonna pick my most colorful bag of all times, and that is this really cute crossbody bag from Tory Burch. I really love this bag. I think it is so colorful and just perfect for the summer season. And it's funny because I've never really talked about this bag on my channel before, yet I love it so much. Maybe I've talked about it on Instagram, and which reminds me that you should definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm starting to post a lot of cool stuff on there, so it'll be really nice to interact with all of you on Instagram. So follow me there. But just coming back to this bag, I still remember that it took me so long to get my hands on this bag. And the very first time that I saw this bag, I was shopping with a friend and they only had one in store, and she happened to see it first, so she got it for herself. And I went home really sad that day, still thinking about this bag. And I think from that day on, I called them every single day of the week until they find, or until they got this bag in stock. And finally it came in stock. I called them, they had it, so I put it on hold, and I drove 2 hours in Toronto traffic. And if you guys know Toronto, the traffic is crazy there. Anyways, I drove 2 hours just to get this bag, and I got the bag, and I love it so much. And yeah, let me just quickly show you what the bag is on the inside. So it's got this snap button closure which opens like that, and then here is the interior. So it's got 2 big sections and then a middle zipper section, and then it's also got a flap pocket in the back. And then here is the back of the bag. It's also got this flap in the bag for additional things. There's definitely some color transfer on the back here. Before, I wasn't really careful with my bags, so I just used them whatever with anything, jeans, whatever. So that's why there's color transfer in the back, but I guess you really can't see it. In the front is in the mint condition. This bag is also really lightweight, so it's just perfect for those times when I need to have a bag on me and still be out and about, walking a lot, or even go shopping. So I just really like this bag. It does come with a crossbody or shoulder strap, which is adjustable, so that's really nice. The strap is very comfortable as well, and every time I wear this bag, I get tons and tons of compliments. People seem to really notice and really love this bag, and I love it too. It's like a painting. It's so pretty. And yeah, that is basically my pick for the summer. That really does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up. That really helps out my channel quite a bit. I'm also going to be tagging some more of my YouTube friends, so be sure to check the description box down below. Also, let me know what are your picks. I would love to know what you would pick for all 4 seasons. Let me know in the comment box down below. And please consider subscribing to my channel. It really makes the world to me, and I would love to interact with you guys and have you join my little YouTube family. So do consider subscribing. I'll see you guys now in my next video. I really can't wait. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.